Your computer can now plan, decide, and act without you clicking a thing. That's not a prediction. That's what AI agents are doing right now. And to understand why that's such a big deal, you first need to understand what an AI agent actually is. Think about a regular chatbot. You type a question, it types back an answer. That's it. One message, one reply. It's like a vending machine. You press a button, you get one thing, and the machine just sits there waiting for the next button press. An AI agent is completely different. It's more like a personal assistant you hand a whole project to. You say, plan my trip to Tokyo, and instead of giving you a list of tips, it actually goes and does the work, searches flights, checks hotel prices, reads reviews, builds an itinerary, and comes back when it's finished. You didn't click anything. It just handled it. Here's how that actually works under the hood. An AI agent runs on a loop. It reasons about what to do next, then it acts, meaning it uses a tool like a web browser, a calendar, or a piece of code, then it observes what happened, and then it reasons again. Over and over until the job is done. Researchers call this the reason, act, observe loop. It's like a student working through a problem. Think, try something, check the result, adjust, try again. Now here's the part most people miss. Old-school computer scripts and bots can also run steps automatically. The difference is that agents handle surprises. If something goes wrong or an instruction is unclear, an agent can figure out what to do next instead of just crashing. That's a huge leap. So how do all these agents actually connect to the outside world, to calendars, websites, databases, other apps that used to require a ton of custom wiring for every single tool? Then in November 2024, a company called Anthropic published something called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Think of MCP like a universal plug socket. Before it, every agent needed its own special adapter for every tool. Now any agent can plug into any tool using the same standard. That makes building and connecting agents dramatically faster and safer. And it gets even bigger. You can now have multiple agents working together, one researching, one writing, one fact-checking, all coordinated by a lead agent, like a team where everyone does what they're best at. That kind of teamwork lets AI handle tasks that would take a human team hours or days. The one genuinely unsolved piece is guardrails, figuring out when an agent should pause and check with a human before taking a big action. Because an agent that can act in the real world can also make real mistakes. Here's what that all adds up to. We've spent 30 years learning to talk to computers through clicks, menus, and commands. AI agents flip that completely. Soon you describe what you want once, and the computer figures out every single step to make it happen. The interface isn't a screen anymore. It's a conversation with something that can actually go do the work.